It is Monday, time to start our last set of packets. And this time I set it up a little bit different. So week 1 is more like you have been doing, and week 2 is a little special thing. So for today, we are going to finish reading Mr. Popper's Penguins this week. So today you are going to read Mr. Popper's Penguins. Read chapters 16 through 18. It's page 101 to 114. And make sure you're checking your email and answering that writing prompt I send you. Social studies. You're going to pick 3 more pages of your time capsule and do those. Math today, we're working on perimeter. Remember, IXL, bumped it up to 25 minutes because you don't have it on Friday. So try to get an hour in this week. So up top, it tells us what we have to do. Perimeter is adding up all the outside edge. Think like a fence. Fencing in this area. So number 1, to add all these up. Eight plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5. It's 32. And don't forget to label centimeters. So same thing with this, just add them up. 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4. Or you could do 7 times 2 plus 4 times 2. And this is meters, so add all those up and put meters after it. Same thing down here, add these up. So 7 plus 9 plus 4. Add those up, and our label is inches. Number 4, they did not label this one. So if they are units like this, we're going to count how many units are. And I like to put a mark so I know I counted that. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll label that part. 1 here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to start writing it over here so I don't lose track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our last part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add all that up, it's 28. 28 units. So this takes a bunch of work, but you can do it. Religion today. We're going to learn about ascension. We need to read and answer the focus questions. And I labeled it Monday. So let's read this together. The 11 disciples went to Galilee, to the mountain to which Jesus had ordered them. When they saw him, they worshipped, but they doubted. Then Jesus approached and said to them, "All power in heaven and on earth has been given to me. Go therefore and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit, teaching them to observe all that I have commanded you. And behold, I am with you always until the end of the age." So now you need to answer the focus questions. So what did the disciples do when they saw Jesus? So go back up here. What did they do? It's probably going to be towards the top. Oh, when they saw him, they worshipped but doubted. So make sure you write that one down. Number 2, what did Jesus say he has received? It says, then Jesus approached and said to them, "All power in heaven and earth has been given to me." So that would be what he received. Number 3, what is Jesus's command to his disciples? We'll go back up. It says, "Go, therefore, and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to observe all that I have commanded you." And 4, what do you think it means that Jesus is with us until the end of the age? So it says, "And behold, I am with you always until the end of the age." So what do you think that means? What's the end of the age? Where do we go after we age? Is Jesus with us? What does he mean? What did Jesus do for us so that we could go to heaven? He's with us always. So make sure you write your answers down. You can either try to squeeze it here, maybe put 1, 2, 3, 4, and write your answers down here. If you need any more help, please let me know.